To improve FPS in Marvel Rivals, first we can click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, move to the settings and then enter display. Right here, first thing we're gonna change is anti-aliasing and super resolution type, and now depending on whichever graphics card you have, for example I have the GeForce 4070 Ti and I'm going with NVIDIA DLSS. If you're using AMD, you can go for AMD FSR for best results, or if you're the Intel user, you can go for Intel XeSS. You can also try two of those options, but I strongly recommend to the one corresponding to your graphics card. Then you can change the super resolution mode. Depending on your FPS situation, you can go for different settings. So if you're having very bad FPS, you can go for ultra performance or performance. If you're having a good but not great FPS, you can go for balanced or quality. And there's also ultra quality that you can try. Super resolution sharpening shouldn't change anything with your FPS. And there's also frame generation mode. If you have that option, I strongly recommend to enable it, with also corresponding to your graphics card option like NVIDIA DLSS or AMD FSR. And that is basically everything kind of unique that you can increase your FPS with. And you can also try adjusting graphics settings, but the ones that I mentioned right here on the top should give you the best results.